Hot pan, add oil in it, add marinated fish with salt and turmeric and cover the fish, otherwise hot oil spread your body. Now flip the fish and cover it for a while. After washing fish, marinated fish with salt and turmeric powder, then fry it. Now flip the fish carefully. Take boiled potatoes. Now make a paste of cumin, ginger, onion, green chili and coriander. Add more mustard oil if required. Add dry chili in it. Seed, add cumin seed in it and bay leaf. Add boiled potatoes. Fry all the fish carefully because hot oil spread from it. Fry potatoes golden in color. Add all the spices and hot water in it. Cook it till then oil come out through the spices. Add hot water in it. Cook it for a while. Now add turmeric powder. Add salt according to your taste. Now add fish in it one by one. Cook it for a while. Now add young coriander leaves in it. Now your curry ready. Eat with hot rice. This basha or pangas fish is very tasty and delicious. Thank you.